Raman scattering is defined as the interaction of light with particles of what two states of matter? Raman scattering occurs when light interacts with the vibrational modes of molecules in transparent media, leading to a change in the energy of the photons. Sir C.V. Raman discovered this phenomenon using sunlight and filters to observe the scattering specifically in pure liquids and transparent solids. What characteristic allows red light to travel the longest distance through air and fog? Red light has the longest wavelength in the visible spectrum, which makes it less susceptible to scattering by air molecules and fog particles. This property ensures that red signals remain visible from a greater distance, making it ideal for danger signs. If light were easily absorbed, it would disappear quickly in fog rather than traveling a long distance. Low intensity would make the light harder to see, whereas red light is chosen for its high visibility. Red light actually has the lowest frequency in the visible spectrum, as frequency is inversely proportional to wavelength. What happens to the light from a torch or sunlight when it shines on the mirror with a slit? When light from a torch or the sun passes through a narrow slit, it is restricted into a small ray of light that can then be reflected by a mirror. This setup is a classic demonstration of the rectilinear propagation of light and the laws of specular reflection. What happens to light rays when focused by a lens? When parallel light rays pass through a convex lens, they are refracted and meet at a single point known as the principal focus. This converging property is essential for forming real images on screens or the retina of the eye. Random refraction would occur through a medium with inconsistent density, which would not result in a clear focus. Scattering happens when light hits small particles or rough surfaces, causing it to spread in many directions. Divergence occurs when light passes through a concave lens, causing the rays to spread apart rather than come together. In the description, what happens when a light ray from X travels along XO? In a pinhole camera or basic optical setup, a light ray traveling from a point X through an aperture O follows a straight path to form an image point X. This demonstrates the rectilinear propagation of light, where rays travel in straight lines to hit a specific point on a screen. When white light disperses through a glass prism, which color of light experiences the greatest deviation? A whistle produces sound waves with a high frequency, which the human ear perceives as a high-pitched sound. Pitch is a subjective perception that is directly proportional to the frequency of the vibrating source. A foghorn is designed to produce low-frequency sounds that can travel long distances through heavy air. A deep drum beat involves low-frequency vibrations of a large membrane, resulting in a low pitch. Thunder is characterized by low-frequency sound waves caused by the rapid expansion of air during a lightning strike. What is the purpose of an LED light in a simple electric circuit as described? An LED, light-emitting diode, glows when a current passes through it, serving as a visual indicator that the circuit is closed and functional. It is highly efficient and requires very low voltage to operate compared to traditional incandescent bulbs. When a ray of light goes from a rarer medium to a denser medium, how does it bend? When light enters a denser medium, its speed decreases, causing the ray to bend towards the normal. This phenomenon is a fundamental principle of refraction described by Snell's law. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Quotient for more.